Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Peacock TV on an Amazon Fire Stick. First, make sure your TV is on and your Fire Stick is connected to Wi-Fi. Press the home button on your Fire Stick remote. You will see the menu across the top of your screen. From the top menu, scroll and find and then choose search. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Peacock TV, select Peacock TV from the search result, then select download or get. Wait a moment while the app is installing. Once the app finishes downloading, select open. You can also find Peacock later on your app and channel. Choose sign in if you are already have a Peacock account. You can choose sign up if you are new and follow the on-screen step. Peacock is free to download, but some content requires a paid plan. Make sure your Fire Stick software is up to date. An older Fire Stick model can run slower but still support Peacock. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.